all anyway, don't we? Right, what are we calling it? Your retirement project, your farm, your house, your home, your...
Everything.
All of those things.
It's my studio.
And Claire, working very, very hard on their new project, which I'm now going to show you around.
Yeah.
We're sitting in the beautiful evening sunshine, and we're going to have a barbecue and a salad and some wine and some beer. Got some garlicky, herby
Ooh, yeah.
pork, is it?
Yep, it is pork,
Pork,
yeah.
yeah.
And then
I'm going
let's
to do
get
a guided tour.
some spare of that.
They've got a walnut tree for a start off. Lots and lots of firewood. This is the laundry room, which Claire said for some reason is her favourite room. We've got a garden area. I'm presuming that's their car. Show you upstairs first. This is the, well, they're calling it the courtyard. Our bike. Upstairs, they describe this as the posh end of the house, and that's because you'll see why. That's their bedroom. This is our bedroom. We've got mozzinettes because there's still some mozzies. We've got hot and cold running water. And then you get to the unposh end, which is the part that they're working on. So, first of all, sorry, the kitchen, which this way does not look like a kitchen at all. So these are their cupboards, their fridge, the boiler and the cooker. And then this is where the project starts. So they've been laying rubble goes up to the roof, and you go up this few steps. I think this is, I can't remember, they're putting a balcony and the extending it 2 meters this way, that way, other way, I don't know. This is the room with no floor. They're going to have bedrooms up at the top, right up to the eaves. They're keeping it open at the top, but unfortunately they've discovered some dry rot, so all the beams with a green dot have got to come out. They're only spending the summers here. Going home actually next Monday for the winter, and that's it. That's the project. Right, because we've had quite a rainy day today and blustery, we've decided we didn't want to camp tonight, so we've come to a bed and breakfast. It's on a farm. It's very, very nice. We'll show you outside later. We've got pears and walnuts.
Bees.
Yeah, he's got bees. We've just made a tea and a coffee. We've been to the supermarket. We've got some local cheese, some pate, bread, macaroons, because there's actually a macaroon museum here, but we said rather than pay €3.50 each to enter the museum, we'll just eat macaroons instead. We've got a muscat and some olives. I've got a very nice all singing all dancing bathroom, which actually I could have a bath later. It's very, very nice. Bed and breakfast, I think it's about 42 quid for both of us. So we're very happy, aren't we, with that?
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
So this is the farm where we stayed last night. He's a beekeeper, made 90 kilos of honey this summer. So Mike's up there. He's up there with that tractor. They're just planting some specific flowers and stuff for the bees. That's our bedroom there. I was just saying it's such a shame we've only been here for one night, because it'd be a lovely place to actually stay. We've not really seen the town even, but we weren't supposed to be in this town. We just came here by random because we didn't want to camp last night because it had been raining so much. But it'd be lovely to sit in these little gardens, and I mean, there's like a little place over there with trees and chairs and stuff. So this is bloke coming down here. He's got a bike here. He's got lots and lots of quinces, and this is all his bee stuff. What do they call them? Frames, maybe. I've got all this beeswax. Got a really lovely garden. Nice place. So 10:15 in the morning, and here we are at San Sivan, another UNESCO site for us. Peter's just putting coat on the bike, partly because it's wet through and partly for security. In a good mood this morning, Peter?
Yeah.
Convince me. So I think we're probably, apart from that couple there, we're first two here. Beautiful crisp morning, but bloody cold. I mean, I've got I think I've got 4 layers on. I'm still cold. We've been praying for it cold for the last 3 months, and now it's cold. We're thinking, oh.